Porsche has unveiled the new 935 on the occasion of the historic Rennsport Reunion motorsport event at Laguna Seca Raceway in California. The race car's technology for club sport events and private training on racetracks is based on the 911 GT2 RS high-performance sports car. Like its historic predecessor, most of the body has been replaced or supplemented by carbon fiber composite parts. The spectacular aerodynamics is a completely new development and pays tribute to the Porsche 935 7/8 Le Mans race car, which fans dubbed Moby Dick due to its elongated shape, massive fairings and white base color. The distinctive wheel arch air vents on the front fairings, which also feature on the GT3 Porsche 911 GT3 R customer vehicle, increase downforce at the front axle. Measuring 1,909 mm in width by 400 mm in depth, the rear wing lends aerodynamic balance. These references are carried through to the cockpit. The knob on the gearshift lever has a laminated wood design and is reminiscent of races such as the 917, the 909 Berg Spider and the Carrera GT Super Sports car. The carbon steering wheel and the color display behind it have been taken from the 911 GT3 R from the 2019 model year. A massive safety cage combined with the racing bucket seat and a 6-point safety harness ensure maximum safety. A second seat for the passenger is available as an optional extra. Air conditioning provides optimal cooling of the interior. The new 935 is powered by a state-of-the-art 3.8-litre 6-cylinder twin-turbo engine, which is largely identical to the high-performance standard unit mounted in the road-legal 911 GT2 RS. Power is transferred to the rear engine via a 7-speed Porsche PDK with rigid gearbox suspension at the 310mm wide rear axle. Like in the GT Road models of the 911, the driver changes gears via conveniently positioned shift paddles on the steering wheel. Typical of the 911, the weight distribution ensures excellent traction and braking performances. 6-piston aluminium monoblock racing calipers on the front axle in combination with internally ventilated and grooved steel brake discs with a 380mm diameter provide excellent deceleration values at the front axle. The rear axle is fitted with 4-piston calipers and 355mm discs. Like the road-legal 911 GT2 RS, the 1,380kg 935 is equipped with PSM including traction control as well as an ABS. Thanks to a so-called map switch, these assistance systems can be adjusted separately or switched off completely, depending on the driving situation.